Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ピーマンのタルタルチーズ焼き。It's bell peppers filled with Japanese egg tartar sauce, then grilled. Very easy to make, but nutritious and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ピーマンのタルタルチーズ焼き. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 6 eggs, 6 bell peppers, 1 onion, some salt and pepper, shredded mozzarella as much as you like, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Let's make boiled eggs first to make Japanese egg tartar sauce. I just need 6, but I'm doing 10 because I'm having them anyway. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. This is a pointy side and this is a round side on this side. Put some water about halfway up the eggs. Cover with the lid and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low but keep it simmering and cook for 8 minutes. Cooked for 8 minutes. Let's take them out in ice water. While you cool them down, let's finish all the vegetable cutting. Bell peppers into half. Remove the stem and season the pith inside. Same for the rest of the bell peppers. Okay, onion. I'm going to use half of this. Cut the top off. Peel the skin. And let's mince it. So make some slits here. Then slice. Eggs are cold now, so let's remove the shell and put it in a bowl. Six eggs in the bowl. Using masher or fork, let's mash them. Try not to make them too small. minced onion, mayonnaise, garlic paste, and some salt and pepper to your taste. Give it a mix. And Japanese egg tartar sauce is ready. Prepare oven sheet lined with parchment paper and place the bell peppers. Fill the bell pepper cups with the tartar sauce. Shredded mozzarella on top. And grow in the oven. 250 degrees Celsius. Grilled for 20 minutes. Some black pepper if you like. And ピーマンのタルタルチーズ焼き is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Egg and cheese. My two favorite in one dish, and it's so good. I'm sure my family will love this. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, one or two side dishes. I made the dish as a main, so it goes here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but I think I want to have bacon to horenso no wafu pasta here and kabocha no soup here. There are enough vegetables in these dishes, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!